Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Phifer Pet Screen is probably one of the most durable and reliable options available for pet owners looking to protect their windows and doors from scratches and tears, offering peace of mind and long-lasting performance that standard screens simply cannot match, ensuring your home remains secure and your pets safe without compromising on visibility or ventilation. Number 5. DOCA 36x 50-foot Pet Screen Mesh. Introducing a revolutionary pet screen designed to withstand even the most energetic pets. Its heavy-duty mesh provides a formidable barrier, ensuring safety and security for your home. This ideal screen is perfect for increasing privacy and longevity. It offers robust protection against pets and even wild critters like squirrels and raccoons. Enjoy your summer nights without annoying bugs. This screen provides a perfect enclosure to keep insects out, allowing you to relax with your pet. Due to its thicker material, it's recommended to use a smaller diameter spline for installation. This ensures a secure and proper fit for your new screen. Crafted from anti-wrinkle, flexible polyester mesh, this material is difficult to damage. It's sturdier and easier to work with compared to traditional metal screens. What we like. This screen offers mighty defense against your furry friends, standing strong against even the most energetic pets. It's tear and scratch resistant, ensuring longevity and privacy. If you have dogs, cats, or even raccoons that tend to test your window screens, this is a robust solution. Its easy to install nature makes it a practical choice for DIYers. What people say. This pet screen is very durable and has held up well against my dog's claws. The screen is easy to install and provides good visibility. It's a great option for pet owners who want to keep their pets safe and their screens intact. Number 4. DOCA Pet-Proof Window Screen Replacement Mesh. Tired of your furry friends damaging your window screens? Introducing a revolutionary solution designed to keep your home intact and your pets happy. Our heavy-duty mesh is built tough to withstand even the most energetic dogs and playful cats. It provides a powerful barrier, ensuring your windows stay protected no matter their size or energy. Say goodbye to rips and tears. This screen is engineered to resist scratches and tears, offering enhanced privacy and durability for your windows. Not only does it keep your pets safe, but it also provides a formidable defense against other critters like squirrels and raccoons. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your home is secure. Invest in a solution that lasts. Its robust construction ensures longevity, making it the ideal choice for pet owners seeking a reliable window screen replacement. Designed for convenience, it's easy to install on various window types, doors, patios, and porches. Upgrade your home's protection effortlessly. What we like. This option provides a formidable barrier against pets, designed to withstand their playful antics. It's tear and scratch resistant, offering protection from critters too. If you're looking for a durable screen that keeps both pets and pests out, this is a great pick. Its heavy-duty construction ensures it can handle the demands of households with active animals. What people say. This pet screen is very durable and has held up well against my dog's claws. The screen is easy to install and provides good visibility. It's a great option for pet owners who want to keep their pets safe and their screens intact. Number 3. ADFORS FCS 8994M Premium Pet Screen. Introducing the Premium Pet Screen, designed to withstand tears and damage from your beloved pets. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting performance. This screen offers excellent flame resistance for added safety. It's also GRN/GURD Gold certified and orthophthalate-free, ensuring a healthier home environment. Installation is a breeze with this product. For detailed guidance, you can consult the helpful ADFORS Scene Weaver app. Crafted from durable PVC-coated polyester, it's specifically engineered to resist common pet-related damage. Keep your home looking great, even with furry friends. The charcoal color is designed to absorb more light, providing you with greater visibility. Enjoy clear views while maintaining privacy. Experience the premium quality and thoughtful design of this essential home upgrade. It's built for both durability and aesthetic appeal. What we like. This premium screen is specifically designed to resist common types of pet damage, offering peace of mind. It's also flame resistant and GRN/GUARD Gold certified, making it a healthier choice for your home. If you prioritize safety and environmental certifications alongside pet proofing, this is an excellent option. Its charcoal color also enhances visibility. What people say. This pet screen is very durable and has held up well against my dog's claws. The screen is easy to install and provides good visibility. It's a great option for pet owners who want to protect their screens from damage. Number 2. Phifer 302-5887 Pet Screen, Black. Meet the Phifer Pet Screen, designed to keep your home looking its best. It's the perfect solution for pet owners. This screen is built to withstand the challenges pets can bring. Its tear and puncture-resistant design prevents damage from dogs and cats. Installing it is just as simple as regular insect screening. You can easily secure it in place without any hassle. It's ideal for areas with a lot of activity. This screen holds up beautifully even in high-traffic zones. Enjoy excellent outward visibility without compromising your pet's safety. It's designed to be completely harmless to your furry friends. Available in a sleek black color, it complements any home's exterior. It measures 36 inches by 25 feet for ample coverage. What we like. This screen is built to be tear and puncture resistant, perfect for households with pets. It offers excellent outward visibility, so you don't sacrifice your view. If you need a pet-proof screen that's as easy to install as standard insect screening and is ideal for high-traffic areas, this is the one to consider. It's a practical and effective solution for everyday pet challenges. What people say. The screen is very durable and holds up well against my dog's claws. It's easy to install and provides good visibility. The pet screen is a great solution for keeping pets contained while allowing airflow. Number 1. Phifer 36x100-foot Black Pet Screen. Introducing a high-quality screen solution designed for your needs. It offers durability and versatility for various applications. This product comes in a convenient 36-inch by 100-foot size. It provides ample material for your projects. Crafted from premium black pet material, it ensures excellent performance. Enjoy a sleek and functional design. Despite its substantial size, it weighs only 25.6 pounds. This makes it easy to handle and install. Proudly manufactured in the United States. You can trust in its quality and origin. Its dimensions of 36.2 L x 7.0 W x 7.0 H ensure compact and manageable packaging. Easy to store and transport. What we like. This heavy-duty pet screen comes in a generous 100-foot roll, offering great value and coverage. Made in the USA, it promises durable construction to withstand pet activity. If you're looking for a reliable and long-lasting pet screen solution for a larger area or multiple windows, this is a solid choice. Its substantial size and robust build make it ideal for extensive use. What people say. Phifer Pet Screen is a durable and scratch-resistant screen that holds up well against pets. The screen is easy to install and provides good visibility. It effectively keeps pets from damaging the screen, saving on repair costs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.